Hey there, everyone. So, I wanted to share a special little treat I bought myself. I ordered 3 diamond paintings made by a company called Paddywaxx. They also are known as Distracted by Diamonds, but on Etsy it's Paddywaxx. So they make their own diamond paintings. They also make wax. It's kind of what they were originally known for. But I decided to buy some of their diamond kits and see what they were like. So let's see if we can. They come in this plastic packaging. And then let's pull these bad boys out if we can. Wow, these are in there tight. Let's hold that thought while I get them out. Whew, workout. Okay, so we have few kits I got 3. They sell out and then they restock them pretty quickly, but to make the shipping worth it, I just grabbed 3. So look at their logo too, by the way. Isn't that freaking awesome? So it says Distracted by Diamonds. Again, they are Paddywaxx on Etsy. I will link to these kits in the store below. So I have a square one here with this mermaid. We're gonna open them, don't worry. Ooh. I got some wax samples. Oh, and some AB samples. So they do make diamonds if you want to customize. But what they are known for, or originally I should say, is these scented waxes. So this is blackened amethyst. Oh, wow, that smells good. This is PWSS. I can't tell what that one smells like. Ooh, coconut crash. So I got little samples of their wax. How fun is that? And then it looks like she sent a 310 AB square replacement. Oh my gosh, look at that color. So you can get, like you just use the universal color code and you can replace your ABs or non-ABs, whatever you want to do. All right, so it looks like Smile, Sparkle, Repeat. So I got this kit here in square. So everything is like, it's in a box. I mean, I'm really impressed because I wasn't really sure how these were going to arrive. You know, some handmade kits are just, well, yeah. Look at this box though. It has like an iridescent thing going on. Okay, let's see how this one is packaged up. The boxes do take a little bit of a beating, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, is there anything? Nope, alright. Let's see. So we get a little toolkit bag. Just looks like a generic placer, clear plastic tray, and some square wax. Oh, nifty. They even give us little holders for our diamonds. Let's see. Oh, and we got some release paper. I'm just gonna unroll it. Now this canvas is not like Diamond Art Club. It's definitely stiffer and it's not that cloth, but they do these in poured glue. So there are 37 colors. Oh wow. Stay there. So this is La Papillon Rose. Wow, that was rough. By Tracy Lewis. So this here, if you have your own sticker maker, which I do, I can just run this through my sticker maker, and then I can put those stickers on there. Let's see. They sent me DMC 310. I don't have a 310 in this kit to replace that with. And look, they even have it marked as what's your AB. So there's 2 ABs in here. Whoa. So here are the diamonds. Now this is a square kit. Look at all those beautiful pastel colors. Oh my gosh. And it looks like they're individually bagged. Ooh, look at those ABs right there. Looks like lavender and white. Okay. So let's look at the artwork here. Wow, this thing is beautiful. How big is this thing? Is it says it's waterproof, anti-fade, non-ironing, and green. I love the rendering on the face. I hope it turns out just as beautiful. Look at that. This is a huge canvas. Lots of color blocking though. I can tackle that easily. Oh my gosh, this thing is a monster. I'm gonna have to look and see how big this is. But I really do like how they've placed the eyes. I think these are gonna turn out really well. The hair, little highlights. Wow, this is a really cute kit. Okay, so let's see real fast if it says how big this one was. I might have said it on the box. 60 by 90 centimeters, yeah, so it's big. Okay, let me grab the next one so that you guys aren't watching me just like pack and all that, and I'll be back. Okay, so next we are on to this one here. It says spring comes softly. It's a round and it's 62 by 74, so not as big. Okay. Here's something rattling down there, but doesn't want to come out. Let's see if it'll come out on this side. The boxes did take a little bit of a beating in shipping. Oh, it's just my placer. Okay. So, interesting. Different packaging. The box is even a different color, but we have this teal little box here. Oh, distracted by diamond washi tape. I didn't get washi tape in the other one. And then got like a little generic placer and heart wax. So totally different packaging from the first one. Okay. Let's see. All right. Let's just, oh, this one. Holy moly. This one's printed on a sticker sheet for me. Looks like I just need to cut out the stickers. So this one's on a sticker sheet. 2022 though. I should have checked and seen what the other one was, but here is the picture. Okay. Lots of wrinkles, but I'm not too concerned about it because it is poured glue. Only thing is the canvas is not as, ooh, that's sticky glue. The canvas is not as soft as like the ones from, oh, I got release paper hiding in there, as from like Diamond Art Club. So, you know, where they kind of just even out. This is a little stiffer. So let's see, we've got some pretty colors, all in baggies, by the way, but look at that. Ooh. Very pretty colors though, very neutral. All right, let's check this canvas out. Loads of color blocking. I love that they use symbols and letters so you don't get dizzy trying to do the alphabet. These flowers look good. I mean, this background, just get yourself a 7 placer and go to town. Oh, look at that face. I think this looks really good. I like it, the shading there. I think this could turn out really good. Some of these symbols though are a little wacky, but yeah, lots of wrinkles in this one, but they use a thinner plastic over the glue than like Diamond Art Club, so I could see why it wrinkled, but I'm not very worried about it because it does seem quite sticky when you peel it back. And it's poured glue, which is always nice. But yeah, this is right here though. Confetti Central. Oh my gosh. That's gonna take me forever. Same with these. But I love like this part I could just belt out. That's a really pretty one though. I love the way they rendered that. Okay, let me get the next one. I'm not opening these to go through all the colors with you guys, because you can pretty much see all the colors right here because they literally are lined up like that. So there's nothing hiding, and they're very pretty colors. Look at that. This is going to be a pretty canvas. Okay, last one is a square. Now this is 52 by 72. I prefer their black boxes to the purple one. The purple one reminds me too much of Diamond Art Club, whereas this seems more unique. So this one isn't wrapped in plastic. Interesting with the different packaging. Okay, again, really stiff canvases. Oh, oh my gosh, look at the confetti on this one. I'm gonna be here for years. Oh my gosh. All right, so this one also has paper. We got 45 colors. Ooh, I have number 310 and I've got some 310 ABs. And they're both square, so I could totally put some of these in there. I might do that. This is called Pink Mermaid by Gretel Lusky. I'm gonna have to put this through my sticker maker. See, some of these symbols are interesting. I got like the Greek ones, airplane. I even saw like a Wi-Fi signal, so I found that kind of cute. All right, let's see what's in here. So just a generic toolkit again. Single placers though, blue wax, just generic wax. Oh, there's the other placer. Okay, it was hiding in there. I thought that was kind of weird if you didn't get like a multi-placer. All right, look at those colors. Holy chamoly. And I don't think there's any ABs in this one, so it's kind of nice that they sent me a few of these to put around. But this is going to be, as you can see, look at all that blue and the coloring and her hair. That's why it's confetti crazy. Let's check out the canvas. Oh my gosh. Look at all that confetti down there. Oh my gosh, this thing's going to take me a year. Oh, holy crapola. It's gonna turn out good though. I mean, like when they have confetti like that, you get a ton more detail, but there's barely color blocking over here. Oh my goodness gracious. Some of these symbols are very odd. Like some of them are a little hard to read on this one compared to the others. But yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is a monster, y'all. A monster. I had to wait for this one to come back in stock. So when it finally did, I bought it. But yeah, I mean, like, wow. Wow. Okay. At least the moon is color blocked. Because the rest sure is not. And up here, oh my gosh, thank goodness, it's all B, number B. Letter B. So we got some color blocking here, and then it kind of just slowly turns into chaos. But look at the confetti on her hair. But hey, you want a bunch of multicolored hair and like look all cool? Yep, that's what's gonna happen. I do like some of these symbols though. They're pretty funny. Like percentage. I love the Wi-Fi symbol. That's hilarious. Bluetooth symbol. So yeah, and they do have the universal code again, so if you lose them, you can always order more. If you do Diamond Art Club, you may already have spares, you know, of those. Just make sure you're obviously looking in square, if you have a square kit, round if you have a round. But then there's also places on Etsy where you can go buy custom ones, like just like this. So 310 on here is the diamond symbol. And it looks like we have it all throughout here. I would have to be very selective on where I wanted to add the ABs. So what I would almost do is do the whole thing and then come back and decide after. Actually, I might automatically put some in right here in her eyes and maybe a couple of them up in her hair. But you could go buy a whole ton of these and take your number 310 and make it all ABs. There's quite a few sellers that do this. Paddywaxx does it. There's others. But like, say I wanted this entire moon to be an AB, I could go look up the DMC code for that moon and just go order a whole stack of ABs in that and have a sparkly moon. You could literally customize the entire thing to be all sparkles if you want. Just throw out what they sent you. Well, actually save it for spares, but you know what I mean. And then just make the whole thing sparkly. Like if I wanted to, I could order her entire set of hair using the DMC code and get all ABs for it. So yeah, just keep that in mind, but I'm glad they sent me a few to try out. And I really like that black. Wow, this one's gonna take a while. All right, well, that is the 3 kits I got from Paddywaxx, also known as Distracted by Diamonds. You can get, like I said, the custom wax from them. They do sell custom, like stones, diamonds, so you can customize your painting. And then, of course, they have these kits that they make. They have quite a few on their Etsy store, so I'll link to the Etsy store because sometimes these are out of stock, but they do restock. So keep an eye out for a restock. You know, put a favorite on one and it'll notify you when they're back in stock, because this one, I think I only had to wait like 2 weeks to finally snag it. So it wasn't that bad. But thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know if you have tried this company or if you have any others on Etsy that you like. I would love to check them out. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.